Hey everyone, what's up? This is Woodjip216. I noticed recently a lot of people are having trouble with my custom scenery tutorial, so I'm going to redo that with a voiceover right now. So, I'm here on the complete list of custom scenery for Roller Coaster Tycoon 3. I'm gonna use X Enterprise's Highways set. So, I'm gonna go over to the download site, and it'll bring up this error page, but then you just click Home, and you can download it from right here. Save that to my desktop. This file is a zip file. If you don't already have it, you can get WinRAR to open it up. You'll just need to go to the download section. It's at rarlab.com. And then, based on what system you're running, 32-bit or 64-bit, usually 32-bit, you download that, install it, and then you can open up that file. So that's downloaded. So right here, I'm going to right-click, extract files, click OK, and the file is right here. And there's a readme here that'll just tell you all what to do. The billboards, these are just images that you would like to use for the billboards in the actual set. This right here is the actual set, X's Highway set. So this file, right-click, copy. Then go to Start, click on Computer or My Computer, depending on what system you're using. Go to your C drive or whatever is your main drive. If you're on 64-bit, you're going to want to go into Program Files x86. If not, if you're running 32-bit, most of you probably are, just go to Program Files. And then from there, go to Atari, Roller Coaster Tycoon 3, Platinum, Gold, whichever you have. Style, Themed. This is where all of your custom scenery is stored, whether it be generic or things that you've added in. So I'm going to screen that down and leave it how it is. Go back to this X's Highway. And just make sure I've got this copied. Get rid of that. Open up that file location again. Right-click on a space where you're not clicking on another folder. That's a common mistake that people make. And then paste. I already have this set, so if you don't get this message, that's perfectly fine. I'm just downloading this again just to show you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and overwrite. Once again, don't mind those messages. And then all that's copied in now, so you can screen that down. You can close this. And just to keep in mind with this particular set, there are templates for exit signs, road signs, etc. You might want those, otherwise you can just use the ones that you've got here. So then once you've got that done, you can go ahead and start Roller Coaster Tycoon 3. Okay, so I'm here in Roller Coaster Tycoon 3, and we've just installed all that custom scenery. So what you're going to do to make sure it's in there, you're going to click on Play, Sandbox Mode, and Start Game. So then you're just going to load the entire game. The Sandbox Mode won't affect anything in your career, so you don't have to worry about that. It's entirely free, so if everything's done right, we should be able to go in to the scenery area and find X's Enterprise's Highway set. If not, then we've either done it wrong or there's an error. Alright, so here we are. The park's all loaded up. You're going to go and you're going to click on your Scenery tab. And depending on what the author classified it as, it'll either be under Walls, Roofs, and Buildings, or Scenery Items. So I'm going to check here. I just always go here first. So it should either start with H or X, so it's not under H. It's not under X, so I'm going to check in scenery items. It's not under H, so scroll down to X, and there it is. And as you can see, I can place the parts. If you can't place the parts, then you've installed the wrong folder. Go back and check through everything that I just showed you how to do and make sure you did all that right. This has been a custom scenery tutorial. I hope I fixed all the problems from the last one.